Welcome back to our Unity Asset Manager demo series. In the last episode, we uploaded and previewed our first 3D model. Today, let's take it further. Once our model is imported, we can view detailed metadata directly inside Asset Manager. Here we see information like the number of materials, triangle count, and file size. Key details that help teams understand complexity and optimize performance. Next, let's look at status management. Each asset can be marked as draft, in review, or approved, giving you a clear production pipeline and visibility across your team. And collaboration goes even deeper. You can leave comments directly on each asset, making it simple to inform teammates about updates, approvals, or technical notes, right within the workflow. Now let's upload multiple assets. In this example, we'll import two files, one FBX model and one BIM asset created in Revit. Both will go through the transformation process in the cloud, automatically generating previews, metadata, and thumbnails once completed. When the processing finishes, we open the BIM model, a detailed building. We can review its metadata, change its status, or edit its thumbnail image to create a clearer visual reference. Then we open the second building model and explore its properties just as easily. Everything is organized, consistent, and accessible through the same interface. Now, let's move to Unity Editor and see how all this connects. We create a new scene and enable the Asset Manager package in the Package Manager. Once ready, we open the Asset Manager from the menu window. Connect to our project on Unity Cloud, and locate the assets we just uploaded. From here, importing is effortless. Choose where to bring each asset into the scene. Unity automatically generates prefabs ready to use with drag and drop. We place the building model first, then the skid loader V1. And just like that, we have a complete, synchronized scene, built directly from cloud-managed assets. With Unity Asset Manager, you control your entire 3D content lifecycle, from upload to preview to deployment, seamlessly between cloud and editor. It's faster, smarter, and built for real-time collaboration. With Unity Asset Manager and TD SYNNEX Datech.